I'm crazy and I should stop talking. Why am I talking? Welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trish, if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. I'm glad to see you. It is November 8th, 2019, and I am here to unbox a Paradise box. So drill is the same. Guys, they send me a box so that I'll review it, and I always give it away. To enter, it's the same as in previous months. All you have to do is leave a comment on a video uploaded during the next month, between now and when the next box comes, and you will be entered to win one of these November boxes that I'm about to unbox. So also I'm gonna announce the October winner. So this is the October box. You can see I finally got smart and wrote the month on, because you guys know I forget what month it is all the time. And I am going to pick a random comment, and then that person will get the October box. Stay tuned till the end so you can see who won the October box. So I've been really busy. I had some friends over for a fiber sleepover. It was very fun. And tomorrow, which is November 9th, we are having our family Thanksgiving at our house. There's gonna be like 20 people here. I've been baking all morning, and obviously I have nothing to do, so here I am filming when I should be working, but it's okay. So anyways, if you guys are ready, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox a November box. Okay. I have not seen a hint for this box. I honestly don't have any clue, as usual. That could be on a t-shirt for me, right? Okay. Okay, in your, oh, I lied. I do remember. There's two new blends in the Gems of Paradise Fiber collection. Okay, so we're gonna, oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Oh, you guys, they wrote me a note. So it says, Patricia, thank you so much for your continual support. We appreciate you more than words can express. We hope your holiday season is filled with as much joy as you bring all of us each month. Oh my gosh. We've included a second gem-filled stitch marker in both of our new blends to express how much your involvement in our Fiber Club means. From our family to yours, thank you, Paradise Fibers family. You guys, this is adorable. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much, Paradise. That I really appreciate you guys too. I know you work hard on this box every month, and I was just telling someone recently about the curation of them and how cool it is, and I just really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Look at this. I am a Snowflake fiend. I love them. I love it. That's pretty. Holy cow. Whoa. Okay. I have goosebumps. I'm so excited. Okay, 3 ounces. So I'm gonna show you both of the new blends. The Gems of Paradise Fiber box was the very first Paradise Fibers box I got. It was in November, must be 2 years ago now. Look. So this is fluorite. I'm dying. This is 100% Trish, you guys. Holy smokes. It's got some sparkle. It has that iridescent sparkle from the diamond blend that you know that I'm obsessed with. As soon as that comes back in stock, I'm buying a pound. Oh my gosh. And then the other one, which I'm super excited about. I never talk about this, but I'm obsessed with rose gold still. And I know like it's been around for a while, but I just cannot stop with it. So this one is rose gold in a pink bag. It is merino silk rose faux cashmere, ooh, which is stretched nylon. Look at this. Oh, I hope you're getting, oh, this also has the iridescent, no, this has silver sparkle in it. Oh my gosh. I just hope there's enough light on this. It's unreal. I'm a little worried about the light. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I just finished spinning some singles. I just have to ply and then I can spin immediately. Okay, 3 ounces of precious pearl infused cellulose fiber in a silver glitter bag. You guys don't understand. Okay, so this is the pearl infused. I have some of this in my stash and I've been hoarding it, but I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm gonna spin it right away. Look at it. That's gorgeous too. I always think it feels different from wool. I never know how to, I guess it's the pearl infused. It's really soft and it has like just a really pretty like sheen to it. Okay. Oh my gosh, handmade glitter snow globe progress keeper. Okay, first of all, let me show you this. Look at this adorable tag. This is the cutest. It's full, it's like a little eensy weensy snow globe. Can you see it? Wait. The cutest little thing. Oh my gosh. I can't get it out. Okay, I got it. So, a little known fact about me, I got married for the first time in 1996, I think. And I crocheted 200 snowflakes and hung them up above the dance floor. I'm gonna pull a picture up and show you at my first wedding. And I still have some of them. I put them on my tree every year. Got rid of the husband, kept the ornaments. Okay. So, and then here is the bag, and this is a little needle threader. You can use it for putting beads on your spinning. I think maybe I'll do that because I am totally feeling some like shiny beads on this rose gold. Gonna do it. Okay, so we'll use that and I'll show it in the video. Okay, so then a limited edition vinyl sheep sticker. Opal. You know, like opal. Look how, it's a big one this month. Look how big, it's almost as big as my hand. Really, really pretty. Love those colors, those like pastel-y, watercolory colors. And then one holiday chai stash tea. Yum. Oh my gosh. And then faux snow box filler. I also just love everything in this box. Thanks so much. You guys make it so easy to keep supporting the product because I literally don't want to miss a month. Every month is such a beautiful box and they are so fun to open and like get that surprise every month. So thank you. Okay, so I'm ready to pick the October winner. I'm going to randomnumbergenerator.org, and I'm so high tech this month. I wrote down the names and numbers on here, so I've got to do between 1 and 24, only because I don't count my own comments, obviously. So number 22 is the winner. That's Christina Luoma. You have won before and you win this month, and I'm gonna need you to send me your address again. I'm sorry. So email me at neverendingknitnight what your address is to mail the box, and I will get it in the mail in the next couple of business days. Thanks, you guys. I appreciate you so much. You don't even know. A couple of you have sent me notes recently, and I just really appreciate you. You are fun. You are also dang creative. Like, I get pictures in my emails and it's just amazing. So I am excited to see you guys again soon. I just need to get through this Thanksgiving dinner and at least the desserts are done. Talk to you soon. Bye.